separation anxiety from my pets, and if you're the same, the Eufy pet dog camera lets you stay connected with your furry friends even when you're physically apart. Stay. Good job! Stick around for this episode. Hi guys, I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Thanks for checking out another episode of Unbox This. For those of you who regularly tune into this series, you know I love dogs. So when the opportunity to unbox the Eufy pet dog camera came across my desk, I knew I had to say yes. I'm the type of person to FaceTime my dogs when they're away just so they never forget how much I love them. I tell them how pretty they are, how smart they are, how much I miss them. And even though I find those interactions to be quite fulfilling, I know they could be so much better for my pets. The Eufy pet dog camera gives you 1080p video so you can see your puppy clearly in real time. It also gives you notifications when your furball starts making noise and gives you the opportunity to interact with your baby in a way that's satisfying for you both. So let's take this out of the box. It is time to unbox this. Okay, the first thing out of the box is the quick start guide. Next up, we have the AC adapter. And here we have the camera. Okay, so this is pretty large for a pet camera, but I think that's because it does so much more than just keep an eye on your dog. I'm gonna get into this a little later on in the video. We also have a peel moment here. Nice. Even though this is a little larger in size than the standard pet camera, I do like that it still looks unobtrusive. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of interior design, and so I like for every item in my house to look nice. I don't want anything that stands out as being too functional. So the white exterior on this and just sort of the sleek shape makes me feel a little bit better about having it in plain sight because it doesn't look bad. All right, well that's everything that comes in the box, so let's talk details about the dog cam. The Eufy pet dog camera basically acts as your puppy's babysitter, only better because you don't have to pay it an hourly wage. Keep an eye on your dog with the 170-degree wide-angle lens that gives you clear 1080p video whenever you want to check in on your babe. Just download the Eufy Pet app and start spying on your spaniel. Wait, that sounded kind of weird. You guys know what I mean. It also comes with night vision, so if you're trying to check in on your dog after the sun has set, you'll still be able to see him clearly. If your pets are like mine, they're constantly on the go, getting up from laying on the carpet to laying in their bed every 10 minutes. They move around a lot. Luckily, the Eufy pet dog camera automatically keeps your beloved baby in frame. Pet detection identifies them, and smart motion tracking makes sure they're always in your line of sight. If he or she starts barking, you'll get an instant notification. With two-way audio, you can calm your puppy down before the barking frenzy gets really bad and before your neighbors start to complain about the noise. What I really love about the Eufy pet dog camera is that you can give them treats whenever you miss them too much. It's a 3-distance, 270-degree rotatable treat tosser that also works as a fun way to engage your dog and keep him active throughout the day. Plus, the anti-clog design prevents treats from getting stuck. The food can is dishwashable, making maintenance easy. I could totally see myself abusing that though. My dogs would probably get really chubby. I miss them a lot. I'd be giving them treats all day. You can hold on to memories of your dog's days thanks to 16 gigs of local storage. Outstanding moments are also edited into a free daily video so you can share the cuteness with your friends, family, and followers on social media. If you think the Eufy dog camera is the perfect fit for your precious Fido, shop the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys!